Hey, what's up everybody? Today I wanted to just talk about the different options you have when it comes to the charging port cover on the Xiaomi M365. This is the original rubber charging port cover. It's very soft. It tends to break easily, especially right here in this spot. It's also fairly or relatively difficult to attach it to the charging port. Each time I do that, I have to kneel down and then see where to stick it in, so it's no use. This is a replacement charging port cover. It's more rigid. It feels more like a plasticky rubber. But just like the standard cover, it's difficult to attach it to the charging port, so it's no use. This is the original charging port cover from the Xiaomi M365 Pro. It's magnetic. When you buy a charging port cover replacement for the Xiaomi M365 Pro, you get these things. Okay, you get the charging port, 2 screws, and the cap. They're all magnetized. It's real cool. As it turns out, it's very easy to replace this and put it onto your standard Xiaomi M365. When I first bought it, I had no idea if it's even possible to replace it, to put it on the standard M365, or whether I would have to do any adjustments. But as it turns out, it's so simple. Let me show you. First, you got to remove the original charging port cover. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You won't need these screws. Take the cap off. And now, this is the original Xiaomi M365 charging port set. It comes with the charging port and the cap and the 2 magnetized screws. Fortunately, I was happy to find out that you don't need to replace the actual charging port at all, so that goes away. You don't have to open up the bottom deck or anything. And now these magnetized screws, they're a bit different. You're gonna need a hex tool for those. Just no big deal. I recommend first, don't tighten one screw all the way, because you may need to adjust the position of the charging port. Okay. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I highly recommend getting this upgrade. It only costs $10 or $20 or $15 to get this replacement. It takes, as you've seen, literally minutes, and I actually regret not doing this earlier. So highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.